9,000 BTU mini split on this office building. It has 3 people, sometimes dogs, customers, large sliding glass window for going in and out. So this is the LG model, as you can see right here, 9,000 BTU. You can see it in the model number. Zoom in right there. And we're at 1.5 amps. I'm taking the amps. And our voltage is 240. So let's go take a look at our 240. Boom, boom. Oh, gotta get it out of hold because it was jumping around. Oh, there we go. 240. That is not the one. That one minimum. There we go. Now we're reading. It was 1.5 a minute ago. 240 volts. So we're about 370 watts. So you take the amps 1.6 times 240 and you get your watts. So just rough in my head, 360 watts of power for this whole entire building here. And it is ambient temperature right now. Whoops, we're hooked up. We're at 102 degrees outside. So at 102 degrees, roughly 70 watts to cool down a whole office building. And yeah, pretty good. With large glass opening, large sliding glass door, and coffee maker, refrigerator, a server, 3 computers, and I don't know, I can't remember what other electronics are inside the building, but yeah, 370 watts. And can you hear it? Listen. Do you see the fan moving? What do you hear? Nothing. This is how quiet this is. It's not even perceivable to the human ear. I hear the traffic out in the front of the street in the business, but dead silent. And if you're curious what model this is again, I'll zoom in for you. That is the model.